So I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace this faucet today. A brand sent me a nice new faucet. To try out, and they wanted me to show the install, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Pretty simple. I mean, this thing is just going to be held on by this nut here. I got 2 pliers. That should be all it takes. And this is going to go in between right here. I shouldn't have to cut a new hole or anything like that, hopefully. But like I said, 2 pliers I bet is all I need, and this thing will be in and out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, see that these are the cold water and hot water valve. You need to make sure that you turn those off before you take the hoses off. So we're going to turn these off, let the water out of the hose, and then undo the hose. Our hose is on now. We got the water on. We got no leaks. Okay, you can see we got our 2 hoses off. There's 1. There's 2. Make sure you get a towel down for the water that comes out of the hoses. And then you see up in there where it's screwed in, we're going to unscrew those. And it should come out as soon as I unscrew those. And now that I got the nuts out, it comes out. There we go. This is how I'm going to have this one set up. It comes with an O-ring that I'm going to be putting on top. I'm going to put it through this right there. And then I'm going to have this O-ring next. And then this ring. And then this is going to go on last. And I'll show you that underneath. So that's what it looks like up top. And that's what it looks like from the bottom. I actually ended up putting this rubber O-ring on top. So now I'm going to go install the bottom part. Okay, we got our hoses on now. You see we got no leaks. The water's on. Hose on that side. No leaks anywhere, so that's a good sign. We're going to go up top, test it out. Okay, moment of truth. It's already turning hot. Both sides going cold. Works great. Thumbs up for me. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.